want to talk to you all about an aquatic invasive species in Michigan called the red swamp crayfish. Red swamp crayfish are native to the southern U.S. However, in Michigan, they're an invasive species that threatens ecosystem health, and this is through their burrowing, eating, and reproductive habits. And this includes erosion of the banks. They also outcompete our native crayfish for space and resources, and they have also been linked to algal blooms as well. Unfortunately, we have noted these species in the Clinton River watershed. We're just finishing up a 2-year project funded through the Michigan Invasive Species Grant Program. And this was a grant in partnership with the Michigan DNR and Friends of the Rouge that looked at sampling crayfish populations all across both the Clinton and Rouge watersheds. So over the 2-year period, we sampled 60 different sites searching for crayfish. Luckily, we didn't find any new populations of red swamp crayfish through our efforts. However, like I said, there still are red swamp crayfish in these 2 watersheds. We did find nearly 1,700 individual crayfish through our efforts of 7 different species. So red swamp crayfish, they have an hourglass shape on their back that touches in the middle. They also have red bumps, both on their body and on their claws. And their claws are also often long and thin. Sometimes these crayfish are bright red and look kind of like a lobster. However, their color varies a lot by individuals. If you do see a crayfish around you that you suspect is a red swamp crayfish, please don't move that crayfish, but what you can do is document it and report it on michigan.gov/invasives.